Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Monday, May 17th, 2021. It's so good to be here today. Can you please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance? Stand at attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat. Show me a good slant. Make sure you're tracking the speaker. Nothing else is interrupting you. I got a big idea I want to talk to you about today. We've talked a lot about growth mindset this year and the power of yet and how this is going to help your future, but I want to take you on a little journey backwards in your head for a second. So go back to the very first of this school year. We're launching Summit during distance learning. People think we're crazy for trying it. You guys are struggling. Our teachers are struggling. I was struggling. We worked so hard. And we decided we're not going to give up. We're going to get through that. And then throughout the school year, things like changed constantly. And then we ended up with in a totally different place. I was talking to somebody from another organization, and he knows a lot about Summit. He doesn't work for Summit, but he knows a lot about Summit, and he works with schools, and he works with other schools that use Summit, and his son has used Summit as a 6th, 7th, 8th, and now a 9th grader. And he said, you know what I think? I think there's kind of the stages of Summit, and he made this up himself, so but I think you would like it if I told you about it. And he said the first stage he calls flailing. That's when you're just like, I don't know what to do. Like, this is scary. It's hard. I can't handle it. I feel like I'm drowning, right? I'm in the water, but I'm not swimming. I'm just splashing and flailing. And my head's about to go under. Like, a lot of us felt that. I hope a couple people were laughing at me, but honestly, your brain probably felt like that last August. And then you started to figure out the platform. Now, this is where it gets weird. And Mrs. Siegel's advisory was like, yes, this is what happened. It was horrible. It's not great, because guess what happened? You got better a little bit, and you started to not flail. And your next phase was failing. Oh, it's the worst ever, because now I know how to use the platform. I know how to get my work. I know how to take a content assessment, and I am failing everything. If you remember back to last September, people failed almost every single content assessment they took. Wow. And hopefully that doesn't make you feel bad, because you could look around because everybody else was failing all of them too. So he said the first stage is flailing, and then it gets better to failing. Like, that's not very good. And the next stage is ailing. And this is where you're like, ailing means kind of sick. Like, oh, I'm just like, this is not, it's not great. It's not my favorite thing. It's hard. And I know how to do it, but it's just, I'm not failing all the time anymore, but I'm not doing great. Some of us might actually be at that stage right now, because we actually go through stages a little different. Nobody's at the flailing anymore. Nobody's at failing anymore, which is awesome. You guys are passing a ton of PFAs, every single person in our school. Some people might still be ailing. Here's another one he threw in there. And this one might switch places with ailing. I don't know. He said wailing. I'm just like, oh, I can't handle it. Summit's like too hard. Or I miss my teacher. I miss the lesson we did last year. Well, there's people looking in the window at me. They wonder what I'm doing. I was acting like I was crying, and there's people out there concerned about me. So wailing, you got crying, but he said there's another stage that comes. And I think we have a few people that hit this year, but I'm super excited for next year as more and more people hit this stage, which is sailing, right? You're just cruising. You're doing awesome. That doesn't mean everything's easy. Like, nothing about sailing is easy on a boat, but it feels like you're going fast. Like, think about a pilot flying an airplane. Dude, you're just like, you're rocking life right now. It's not easy. Flying a plane is actually super hard, I think. I've never tried it. It's a good idea that I haven't tried it. So I want you to chat this morning and just talk with your class and with your teacher. What do you think about those 5 stages? Do you think that's actually accurate? That it goes from flailing to failing, to then ailing and wailing, but that maybe someday you could hit sailing? And you know what he talked about? Oh, I'm going to save it for tomorrow, actually. But there's something else about sailing. It's not just about Summit. All right. Talk about that with your class. Evaluate. This is just a theory of my friend Rob's, okay? Tell me what you think about Rob's theory. Have a great day, Achieve.